What is up everyone, and welcome back to the channel. You are joining in with another episode of Diecast Maniac. So today we are bringing in another RWB which is done by Tarmac. So talking about this RWB, as you can see, the color comes in a metallic red. So I bought in another RWB just to compare and show you guys what is the difference. As you can see, this is the Sopranos RWB 993. So comparing these two editions, as you can see, the packaging itself towards the car, it looks similar. Just the difference is the color, and as you can see, this comes in the red box and you get the red stage with the RWB letters in gold. And this comes in the black box with the black stage and the RWB letters comes in red. When you open this up, the colors actually looks the similar. The tone of the colors actually looks the similar because this is a metallic red as well as this is an actual gloss black. So when you take this out, this is in good packaging, so I have to break it in, and the RWB is finally out. So taking it out, when you compare, these are the two background images which comes, and as you can see, both look the similar. Both comes in the gold background with the red letters. And when you talk about the packaging again, as I told you before, this comes in red and this comes in black with the gold letters and the red letters. Moving on to the car details. This is the Soprano 993 and this is the Singapore Special Edition Global 64 RWB 993. So both the cars are the same model, and as you can see, there's a huge similarity between these two cars. So you can consider these as a variation. The only color difference stands out is that this car is fully black with the gold rims, and this has the red body kit with the black wing, black side mirrors and the black tires with the wheels with a small touch of an outline of gold. As you can see, they have provided their limited edition certificates. The black one comes in the gold, and for the red car it comes in red with the gold wordings. So I'm leaving it here for you guys to see it clearly. So these are the two variations that we are putting out today, and comparing the price wise, this was released on the Tarmac website for $29.9. And talking local wise, since I'm from Sri Lanka, the price of one RWB goes for about 4,500 Sri Lankan rupees. As always, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and make sure to like the video, hit the subscribe button and also click on the notification button to keep up with the latest news as we bring in you guys all the new releases, updates and all the unboxing videos of all the new models to you at first.